Hey guys, great news. I didn't have to go anywhere yet. I'm got until April 3rd, so I got a couple more weeks in the wood shop. I just put the GoPro on Facebook Marketplace, and I put it for an unreasonable price. I put it for $200 because I wanted to play with them, and I didn't want it to go so fast. But it got hit on immediately. So the GoPro Hero Black 8, look at what this dude just offered me. And you guys have been so involved with this with me and all in the comments. I'm leaving this one to you guys because it's going to take some space in the shop, but I can't believe the offer. And I just don't know what to do. So this is the GoPro with 3 batteries. So I can use this and wait until you guys see the footage on it. I'm about to drop a short of me sharpening an axe with this thing. I love this camera. But like I said before, if they're willing to pay, I'm willing to sell it. That's what I'm doing this for. So this is what he's offering me. It's a Uber scooter. It's a Poozy Uber scooter. I just Googled these guys. They're worth like $800 to $1,000. But I honestly don't know how fast this is gonna sell. I'm not a mechanical person. I'm a woodshop worker, yo. But it's such a deal that's like trading from the paperclip to the house. What do you guys think I should do? Leave it in the comments real quick. Whatever you guys decide I'm going to do is what I'm going to do. And we're going to do this together and go on this journey together. And we can just keep growing this thing up, yo. What if we turn this into a work truck real quick? Yo, if I show up with a new pickup truck out of this damn GoPro, oh my goodness. Yo, y'all let me know in the comments. Peace.